If you're seeing the itch.io error with your request, don't worry. This is usually a simple browser or connection issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the page the right way, check your internet connection, verify the URL, disable your VPN if needed, clear your browser cache, and log out and log back in again to get itch.io working properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first and easiest thing to try is refreshing the page on itch.io. Sometimes the site just needs a quick reload, especially if the page timed out or the request failed temporarily. Go ahead and refresh the page once, and if that doesn't work, try opening itch.io again in a new tab. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger this kind of request error, so make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and working properly. If possible, test another website to confirm whether the issue is only happening on itch.io or if your entire connection is having trouble. If your internet seems fine, the next thing to check is the URL. A small mistake in the address can cause loading errors or lead to a broken page, so double-check that you're on the correct itch.io link and that nothing was copied incorrectly. After that, try disabling your VPN. Some websites can block or limit requests coming from VPN traffic, and itch.io may flag the connection if the IP looks unusual. Turn off the VPN temporarily, refresh the page, and see if the error disappears. If it still keeps happening, clear your browser cache. Over time, old stored files and cookies can interfere with how a website loads, so clearing the cache can often fix strange errors like this. After clearing it, restart your browser and try itch.io again. And if none of those steps work, log out of your itch.io account and log back in again. Sometimes your session just needs to be refreshed, and signing out and back in can reset the connection between your account and the site. Once you've done that, reload the page and check if the error is gone. In most cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the problem quickly without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, verify the URL, disable your VPN, clear your browser cache, and log out and log in again. If you want more easy step-by-step fixes like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.